guys, it's Dr. Jessie at Power Girl Fitness and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing the perfect post-workout meal for all of you protein princesses looking to grow your glutes. This is my take on a spicy tunacado with a homemade flatbread that's low in carbs and packed with protein. So let's get into it. Go ahead and dice up half of a red onion. Chop up some pickles. Time to prepare our tuna mixture, so start by adding in 2 cans of skipjack tuna. Adding in our dill and parsley. So that's about 1 tablespoon of diced pickles, half of a red onion, 1 tablespoon of pickle juice, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons garlic aioli, half a tablespoon of habanero mustard, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and a pinch of salt. And mix that all together. Our high protein flatbread, make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna go ahead and mix together 1 cup of cottage cheese and 2 eggs. So we're just blending until there's no longer any clumps in our mixture, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in a pinch of salt, some garlic powder, some Italian herbs. All right, we're just going to evenly pour over our mixture. Adding a thin layer of Parmesan cheese to make sure we get a nice crisp. We're gonna pop this in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Just make sure that you keep an eye on it and you take it out when you're happy with the look of it. Also, I would recommend broiling for your final few minutes just to make sure that this comes out nice and crispy. Alongside our high protein flatbread, this is all of the remaining ingredients that you're gonna need. So we have our tuna mixture. Now, as you can see here, we have way more than 1 serving. So what I would recommend doing is, as you prepare your flatbread, you're gonna add 1 roasted bell pepper, slice up 1 full tomato, half of an avocado, and then 1 tablespoon of pesto. We're also gonna sprinkle on a bit of microgreens here and some Tabasco as well. The Tabasco adds some extra spice, so if you're not good with spice, I would definitely leave that out. So go ahead and grab all of these ingredients and let's go. Look at that cheesy flatbread. That looks absolutely divine. It smells incredible in this kitchen. I can't wait for you guys to give this a try. So we want our crispy part to be the top, so we're actually going to go ahead and flip this. There we go. Let's start by laying down our tuna here. Let's add our pesto, fully cover the other half. Some Tabasco on top of our tuna. Again, this is completely optional. Some of our microgreens. Adding our avocado, our tomato, and 1 full roasted red bell pepper. There we go. Look at this goodness. Honestly, the most hearty and flavorful sandwich you'll ever have. There we go. Look at that. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to dig in. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this one a try, and we'll see you next time.